Buy here, pay here with this one-owner 2002 Ford Taurus SEL Nice options. Leather interior, power windows, power locks, power mirrors, power seats, and aluminum wheels. This vehicle is so clean for its age that you won't believe. Almost new tires. Very low mileage vehicle for its age. 100% auto check guaranteed. All electronic components in working condition. All interior components are in good working order. The 2002 Ford Taurus, the perfect blend of daily driver and family hauler. View all our inventory: automatic transmission, www.bovutterford.com or www.bovutterkia. Call or email Terry Irby, Internet Relations Manager. Follow us on Facebook,